Welcome all interested binary options on the channel of the website VFX Alert. In this video we trade on the simple strategy clear even to beginners again. We use basic tools of the technical analysis which are available in all popular trade terminals. Everything is rather simple. On graphics, obvious trade signals are visible. On advance in price, call option. It is necessarily for the transaction that the current candle was closed above lines of moving averages and the line of the stochastic indicator moved over the level of 20%, an oversold zone up. For put options, opposite conditions are required, respectively. We pass to trade and we will determine the option sum depending on VFX Alert signal force. Before us couple of USD, JPY, we see a good signal on adaptive strategy for the put option. Moving averages and stochastic give confirmation of an entry point. We open the transaction for $30 or 3% of the sum of the current deposit. The option is open. We will make a pause and we will return to the transaction before the expiration moment. Until the end of the option it is slightly more than a minute. All the time the transaction was in profit. Let's wait for the profit has arrived into the account. We continue to trade. The Australian dollar VFX Alert shows a weak signal down, but strategy indicates couples, therefore we will open turbo option on increase lasting 3 minutes growth. Before closing of the option, 1 minute probability of receiving have arrived high. We wait for the expiration moment. Again profit. It is possible to trade only on strategy signals, but the transaction will be more reliable if bullish confirmation also is received from VFX Alert. Currency pair of EU/USD. The strong movement. Quickly we open the put option, especially as the strategy signal also indicates decrease. The option sum $30, though on a strong signal it is possible to increase it to 5 to 7% of the current deposit. There was a minute prior to an expiration, the market goes down. That confirms also VFX Alert. Possibly, the movement has been caused by an exit of fundamental news, but we work only on technical indicators. The transaction was closed in profit and we wait for the following signal. We come back to USD, JPY. Let's open the transaction, counting on continuation of the ascending trend. The strong call signal on VFX Alert option duration 4 minutes. The sum minus $30 will be the basis for such transaction. There was a minute until an expiration. The transaction so far at a loss, but won't hurry and we will wait. As a result, the profit is got. That confirms reliability of signals, but such transactions need to be opened carefully, and the small sums. We continue trade. We open the next option for USD, JPY. The currency pair behaves well today. There are many trade signals. Trade strategy confirms average force. A put signal on VFX Alert. We open $30. Expiration time 4 minutes. The expiration moment comes. Profit on the account. Let's wait for one more signal and we will finish a trading session. Before us USD, CAD and 2 strong signals for the call option, on VFX Alert and on strategy. The current candle was closed above the line of moving averages. The stochastic line leaves an oversold zone. We open the transaction of call for $30 and of expiration of 4 minutes. It is less than a minute before the termination. The option in profit also. We wait for an expiration. Were again closed in profit. On this positive note we close trade. Approximately in 1 hour of trade the profit $144 is got. That makes 14% of the sum of the initial deposit. It is the very good result.